In this project, we introduce passive Wi-Fi that reduces the power consumption of Wi-Fi by 10,000x. Here is a passive Wi-Fi device that is generating a Wi-Fi beacon at almost no power, and you can see this beacon on an off-the-shelf smartphone. Traditional Wi-Fi radios have digital baseband and analog RF. The digital baseband has, over the last few decades, scaled with Moore's law and could consume only tens of microwatts of power. However, analog RF has not seen such scaling and consumes hundreds of milliwatts of power, making Wi-Fi very power-consuming. Passive Wi-Fi reduces power consumption of Wi-Fi chipsets in sensors, smartwatches, and phones by reimagining the way radios are designed. Instead of every device having both digital and analog RF, now the passive device only has digital baseband. We delegate the analog RF to a single plugged-in device. But how can you generate Wi-Fi packets without an analog RF front end? The key insight of passive Wi-Fi is to use reflections to create Wi-Fi packets. A plugged-in device generates the continuous wave RF signal. The baseband processor on the passive device selectively reflects this RF signal to generate Wi-Fi packets, which can be decoded on existing devices, including smartphones. With this technique, we can synthesize all 802.11b Wi-Fi data rates while consuming only 15 to 60 microwatts of power. This is 10,000 times less power than traditional Wi-Fi radios and 1,000 times lower than Bluetooth Low Energy and Zigbee. Passive Wi-Fi can be seamlessly integrated with existing Wi-Fi devices such as routers, tablets, and smartphones. Here you can see a plugged-in device with two passive Wi-Fi devices implemented on FPGAs. The devices are transmitting Wi-Fi beacons. The beacons with SSID Passive Wi-Fi 1 and Passive Wi-Fi 0 are being received on a standard smartphone. Passive Wi-Fi enables a diverse range of everyday objects to be able to speak Wi-Fi and intelligently connect to the internet. Now, paper towels, coffee, or sugar can communicate their status using Wi-Fi and alert the user. Passive Wi-Fi can bring ultra-low power Wi-Fi connectivity to the new era of the Internet of Things.